Hello friends, and welcome to today's tutorial where we're going to be doing the letter J. And kindly, if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment and share this content, and let's start. The materials you'll require are the 0.30 millimeters fishing line. You'll also require a nail cutter to cut your fishing line with, and you'll also require beads that you're going to be using. Okay, for this project we're going to be using the blue and yellow beads, but you can use your color scheme, the one that you have. And we're going to be using the right angle weave pattern. So we've begun with 3 beads on the right and 1 bead on the left, and then we crisscross, and you should have this basic star that we always have at the beginning, like that. And then we proceed. So we are making it in column. This is the first column. As we proceed, and as you can see, we are introducing the yellow bead on the right. We've picked a blue bead on the left and a blue bead on the right, and we crisscross there like that. You should have something that looks like this. Remember, we're making a capital letter that is also bold, so that's something you also need to keep in mind. If it's your first time to come across this type of content, you're welcome. And if you're going to try this out, I strongly recommend that if you have never done beading before, you check out our tutorials on introduction to the right angle weave pattern, which are more simpler. You can start with making one color patterns first, and then you now advance to this. Remember guys, the skill set that you gain here are skills that you can turn into an extra income. There are things that you can make and sell to your friends or your family or your customers, and you can be able to get some extra income into your pocket. This is something that I have received several testimonials from people who are able to come across my tutorials, learn and implement and sell their products. You can check out those testimonials on the community tab, where we constantly post upcoming products that we are working on. We post quizzes and games. We do have some few games that we try out on the community tab, so kindly don't forget to pass by the community tab once you're done watching this. And I really hope to inspire more people to venture into beading, even if it's something that you'll do as a hobby or part-time. It's going to be worthwhile at the end of the day, because in as much as it does help you uh, gain some skills and knowledge and money, it also acts as a form of therapy, because your brain is usually engaged while you're doing this. You need to be focused, you need to be attentive. So at the end of the day, once you're done doing this, because once your brain is focused on this, you get distracted, so you do forget about several of your issues. And this has on a personal level, it does quite do some miracles. So you can try it out. If you feel bored or you have some extra time, you can try it out, and you can let me know on the comment section down below if it helps you as a form of therapy. I really do appreciate all of you guys that keep on giving me your constant feedback. It really motivates and gives me morale to continue providing and producing more content for you guys. So thank you guys. And if you would want to get private classes, kindly reach out to me. My contact information is provided down on the description below, where we can be able to talk and have a one-on-one tutorial on a specific topic that you want. And as you can see here, we're making quite some good progress on making the letter J. We're already done doing the lower bit and the upper bit, so we are doing the joint, if that makes sense. And we are just continuing using the right angle weave. So the key here is to master the right angle weave pattern. Once you master it, you're going to easily follow along, and it's going to be a smooth sailing for you. You're going to understand this much faster. You can check out our playlists. We do have a playlist on samples of art that we have done, where you can be able to see how you can easily implement this these letters into words. We've done several names there, so you can check it out and see the different names that we've done. That will help you with the color coding and also the spacing between the words. You can easily be able to see how we have spaced the letters there between the names, and also the color scheme that we have used. That can really help you out while you're making this for your clients. Also, please feel free to check out our Instagram page. The link to our Instagram page is provided down on the description below. We just use the same name, Stike_arts and landscaping, where you can be able to see a variety of different products that we have been able to do over time in picture form, and you can be able to even get some more inspiration there. So this is the last column that we are doing here, and as you can see, our letter J has already formed. And we also do have PDF weaving pattern paper. So what we do is we do draft some things like letters or any design that you want to come up with. So if you feel interested in having that PDF, kindly let me know. My contact details are down on the description below, where you can be able to reach out to me and I'll send the PDF to you free of charge. I really also would love to thank you guys for the constant feedback, the constant requests that you've been sharing with me. It really motivates and gives me the strength to keep making more tutorials for you guys. So kindly don't forget to leave a comment, leave a like if you've liked this tutorial. If you've been able to learn something, please let me know in the comment section down below. And as you can see here, our letter J is done. What I'm doing here is basically just adding another column for the spacing in between, so that you can be able to see it more vividly. So remember guys, you really need to be patient while you're doing beadwork. Remember, you do this one bead at a time and one step at a time until you get to your desired product. Also, you really need to be keen and also appreciate the mistakes that you do, because it's by doing such mistakes that you can be able to learn and also advance. Because once you do a mistake and you correct it, it's now easier for you to spot it earlier enough, and also it's easier for you not to repeat that same mistake. And that's how you grow and master beading. As you can see here, our letter J looks quite nice. It's the space that I've added with the extra column is quite sufficient for you to now begin another letter. For example, it's letter A. Now you can start it right there. We do have numerous tutorials on other letters. You can check them out on the playlist. And I really thank you guys for sticking with me until this point. If you've been able to watch this until this point, thank you, and kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I really hope to see you on our next tutorial, guys.